Hey, in today's video, I want to introduce you to a device for servicing air conditioning in passenger cars, the INVENTO S110. The INVENTO S110 is a semi-automatic device, which means that the vehicle's servicing process is manual, but the valves are automatic. Instead of traditional buttons, a joystick is used here. The device has a color LCD display. When you turn on the station, at the start, it displays information about the current bottle fill level, the filter status, and the condition of the vacuum pump oil. After moving on, we have 4 basic functions here. The most important of these are recovery, which is also used to fill the bottle, vacuum, and charging. We also have maintenance here, where you can reset the filter or the oil in the vacuum pump, as well as change the language and perform calibration. The machine has 2 oil bottles, one for used oil and one for new oil. The oil is dispensed manually using a button. The service hoses are 2.5 meters long, and there are also parking spots here, so you can quickly connect them. They don't get dirty or damaged,